Right now we're in phase Wolverine of the crawl, walk, run model for the Army. You start off slow, you go moderate, and then you just high, full run. So we have the Wolverine phase, the Panther phase, and the Grizzly phase. We ran a attack lane. Basically just you go from your patrol base to your RP, your release point at all times, pulling 360 security, maneuvering your squads into aggressive posture, and then opening fire, moving through actions on, and then preparing for the follow-on mission after that.
So we're doing our first platoon walkthrough of a platoon movement. The most recent one was an attack, a deliberate attack on Objective Crab. So yesterday we did it on a squad level, and then today we took the entire platoon. So we've already seen the terrain, seen the OPFOR, like we know where everyone should be placed, but it's just like the transition from working on a squad level to a platoon. And so now we're doing our second go around of a platoon attack on the same objective.
So we did an attack mission today, and we're getting ready to step off again shortly and do another attack. It went pretty well. Communication was good. Actions on objective was pretty good. There's some things we can clean up, but it's the first day, platoon tactics, so we'll get better throughout the phases.
Each mission, we're all learning more about what's supposed to be happening. Like tactics is really, they're important, but we're also focused on our leadership while executing those tactics. So the ARs, which is just like an after action report, right? So it's just for us to get together and be like, okay, this went well, this went bad, this is how we're gonna fix it. And that's probably what improves us every time. Like that's what makes us take the step forward. The next mission is understanding what we can do better.
We all get along pretty well. We feel like we have the best platoon in the company, and we all sit down and talk about it. Like we all get along pretty well. There's no one that has any problems with each other, so I think that's good. But yeah, just the camaraderie. That's really what I enjoy about it, being around each other.
My favorite part of camp is making friends who are going through the same situation as us. We learn about leadership all the time at school, RTC classes, but here you get a hands-on application of like what it's like to lead when we're in this type of situation, which is different, and it's been a great learning experience.
I've definitely met some amazing people, awesome cadre who have like dedicated so much of their time to train us, and I think it's just like a really great learning environment, and just like to develop you as like a leader, it's like the best place to be.